In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show how to add signature in Adobe Acrobat. First, click on Tools, then click on Fill and Sign. Fill and Sign. Click this and now click on this Add Signature. Here are total 3 options to add signature. We can instant make by typing here. Also, we can draw a signature from this option. If you have a signature on your PC, then you can upload that one from here. Now let's make signature by typing. Font can change from this drop down. To save this signature for using in future by checking this option. After done, simply click on Apply. To place the signature, simply click wherever you want to put. Then we can make signature smaller and bigger by dragging it. Also, we can make it from here. If you want to delete this signature, just click on this delete button. Now let's add another signature by drawing. Click on this draw icon. Now draw signature. Click on Apply. That's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.